Hello, board members. I am Gautam, CEO of Fly High Airlines Company. The company is a domestic airline company which has operations connecting for metro cities of India, Mumbai, Delhi, etc. We have 7 Airbus A320 planes fleet. We sell tickets through counter at the airport and website. The questions faced by the company and which for the CEO are website complaints. Second, baggage claims are becoming a major source of liability, and we are facing a reduced revenue on profit from some years, and we have noticed a increasing hangar fees from some years. The solutions with which I have come up are for the problem website complaints are considering feedbacks and asking the customers about what the problem is. We can we can solve the issue of the website. If there are issues with the website, then graphic designer, programmer, backend developer, database manager must be called in. We can collaborate with different sites like MMT, Trivago, Goibibo. Then we can decrease the load from us, and we can also get commission. The second problem for which the solutions I have is baggage problems. The solutions are investigation must be carried on staff and security. We can increase monitoring by using high quality CCTV cams at every step. We can introduce baggage priority service, and we can also hire trusted and responsible people with win-win strategy. Now, if you ask what is win-win strategy, then it is suppose for a month then baggage claims are going low, then we can incentivize or give the staff some bonuses, and we from this we can improve the handling of baggage. The problem third and the main problem is reduce revenue and profit. We anyhow we have to increase the number of tickets sold. For that, we can increase brand collaborations. We have to do advertisements with boardings and hoardings and banners. We can promote ads at social websites like Facebook, Instagram. We have to do promotions during festivals. The new thing we can with we can come up with membership clubs. That is, if some customers are frequent flyers between same destination and sources, we can give them some discounts. We can tie up with hotels and food companies like Real and give the products to the customer, so then we can also get some commission, and cab companies like Ola and Uber to commute the customer from the airport to where he is going. Sorry, I was little disturbed. We can paint up planes for getting commission from different companies like Reliance and Adani. Now, dynamic pricing. You would ask, what is dynamic pricing? It is estimating optimum prices through demand. For suppose if I am booking plane 3 months ago, then I would keep my price low. But once my all seats are full or my loss is covered, then I would increase the prices. Then after suppose for a 1 day before the plane is taking off, I will decrease the price, because whoever comes in the plane, the profit is mine. There is no loss in that. The last fixed cost is hangar fees. We need to reduce this fixed cost to increase the revenue and profit. We can reduce the fixed cost by reducing the time by improvised operations. Suppose 2 hours is taken, 2 hours are taken for the customer to just board the plane, then that is wrong. We can do that in 1 hour, and we can park the planes away from terminal using buses from terminal to plane. Thank you.